Hey friends, just letting you know my Fab Fit Fun box came and I've been a subscriber now for a year. I love to show you guys just to see if it's something you want. I really like it because it lets me try new things that I would not have normally tried, and I found many products that have come in this that I absolutely love. So I've just untaped it. I haven't opened it, but let's see what we got in this one. It's a nice gift to yourself, which I'm sure a lot of us don't do. So, first things first, there is a coupon with a code, so you can do that. Well, this is awesome. I love this because I do my planners, so you can put some of this in your planners. That's kind of neat. It always comes with the magazine, and the magazine has some really cool stuff. So, it also gives more information on the stuff you get in your box, so that's kind of neat too. So I'm going to pull some stuff out individually. And with mine, I did pick some things, but let's see. I got the Grown Alchemist, and it's a body cream. It's Australian certified toxic-free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. So I'm going to open that in a minute once we get everything out of here. This one is Josie, I'm probably going to say this wrong, Maran, 100% pure argan oil. So, and that's organic moisturizing oil, which is something in this cold climate we always need. Okay, I'm definitely going to say this wrong. And these are beauty rounds. That's kind of neat. And let's see what else we got. Tropical Trio Cocoa Floss. I did get this. I floss my teeth a lot. I usually do it when I'm watching TV. But this one's kind of neat. It's dental floss, 3 spools of cocoa floss. And they're in flavors. One's summer watermelon, one is Cara orange, and one is pure strawberry. This is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. So that'll be kind of neat. This one is Milk Makeup, so we will go through that. It's Watermelon Brightening Serum. Here is a coupon for HelloFresh. Here is the Earth Harbor Marina, and that's the French side. Or maybe it is in French. I'm not really sure what this one is. It says it's purely natural, ethical, and C-active. So I'll have to check out what that is. And we got, I'm not sure what this is. So we'll have to open that up and see what that is. And we also got a larger Milk Makeup. So I'm going to open these and show you what these are. This was that white box. It is a drink holder in the shape of a purple cactus. Pretty cool. This was the Milk Makeup, and what it is a face mask. And it's really cool because it is a ball. And it's got instructions on the box, so that's pretty cool. I'll enjoy that. So that's from Milk. This one, that Marina, it's Biome Brightening Ampoule. But this is it. So I'll have to check into more of that, but looks very cool. I'm going to enjoy a lot of this stuff. I love all these new products. This is the Milk Makeup again, and this is also another rub-on, and this one was the Brightening Serum. This one was, again, the Verso. That didn't come in a box, so that's still the same. This was the Josie Maran, 100% argan oil. So I think this is for your hair. I could be wrong. But same thing, it's all in the instructions, so I'll have to read that. And this is the Grown Alchemist, and it's Biological Beauty. It says it's body cream, and I'm just going to see if it has a scent. So, just 1 second, I just gotta pop it open. It smells very nice and fresh, so yeah, it's really nice. So there's that. And then last but not least, which I thought was I really like, is our cocoa floss. So it's pretty neat. You get quite a bit actually on each spool. So it's quite a bit. So you get these, and then these are just the spools themselves. So once you've done the one, you just put it inside the container, and it sure smells sweet. I wish you could smell this. It smells so sweet. So it says, "Welcome to paradise." So this is my kit from my springtime Fab Fit Fun. I really like Fab Fit Fun. It's just a nice gift to yourself, which a lot of us don't take the time to do. And again, like, it gives me all these lovely beauty products. You can choose your own kit. You don't have to get beauty products. I tend to normally get this kind of stuff because I don't care about the clothing and things like that. But I'm a VIP member, and being a VIP member, you get to choose your stuff early, which is really, really nice. So check out Fab Fit Fun. There's always codes. If you want a code, I can probably get you one. So you can try it out at a reduced rate. But I think it's awesome, and I think you should check it out too. Have a great day.